Crop production and management.
Basic practices of crop production. Agricultural practices. India is primarily an agricultural country. Most of our people earn their living from agricultural produce. Water is one of the important requirements for growing crops. For water, farmers mainly depend upon rains, monsoon. Monsoon may fail at times. In the world of science and technological advancement, a farmer should not be left at the mercy of the monsoon. We should have an arrangement helping a farmer with water all the year round. Also, we should be able to get more and better yield from the farms. This can be achieved only by adopting means to save water. Water bodies. Better agricultural practices including use of high yielding seeds, manure and better farm management. Presently we will learn about farm practices. Farming and farm practices. A farmer performs the following tasks for cultivation of a crop. These are also called agricultural practices. It includes preparation of soil, procuring and selection of seeds, sowing of seeds, improving soil fertility, irrigation, watering of crops, weeding, removal of unwanted plants, protection of crops, harvesting, cutting, winnowing, threshing, storage of farm produce. Preparation of soil. Soil is prepared before planting a crop. Soil supports plant growth by anchoring the plant firmly and providing nutrient and water to all plant parts. Soil preparation begins with clearing the farm of mud boulders or wild shrubs growing on the land here and there. Since the crop plants are herbaceous plants, their roots reach only a few centimeters deep into the soil. In most cases, compost manure prepared from decayed and decomposed animals and plants waste readied well before the cropping season begins is placed in a small heaps along the field before the field is plowed. Plowing helps in loosening and turning the topsoil upside down. This is also called tilling the soil. It also helps in uniform mixing of compost with the soil. Though the soil includes mineral nutrients for the plants, but plowing helps in bringing the leached minerals from the lower layers of the soil to the top. It also makes the soil airy and increases its water retaining capacity. Plowing helps in uprooting the weeds growing in the field. It also exposes seeds, worms, insects, and pests, harmful insects. These insects are picked and eaten by the crows and other birds hovering over the plowed fields.